Hello, welcome and welcome back to this channel. In case you're new, my name is Naomi. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you. I love you. And so, guys, today I wanted us to wash my fridge, but I'll be doing a couple of things in between. Right now, what I'm doing is I want to wash these bones so that I can boil them for soup. Also, I'll be preparing my spinach off camera, of course, for dinner, and I'll be boiling some cereals, that is minji. I have already boiled, and I will also boil beans, and actually, I'll be doing that off the camera too. We'll just wash the fridge together and organize it. So stick around until the end of this video. So what I'm doing right now, I'm packing my what are they called, minji. I had already boiled them, so I'll just be packing them so that I can put them in the fridge. So what I'm doing right now, guys, I'm preparing my baby's porridge. We just started weaning, so this is what he'll be taking for now. Yeah. So to the fridge now. I'll not be concentrating much on the upper side. My effort will go to the lower side of the fridge. It's so that, guys, I hope I'll be able to show you how it looks. Yeah, so we'll just remove everything and clean it. I'm hoping that you can see how dirty this fridge is, especially that part. It's so dirty. I don't understand what makes it this dirty, but we'll just clean it. So guys, I'll just be using a mixture of water, hot water and vinegar to wash this fridge, and I'm hoping that it will turn out clean as I expect. Yeah, so let's wash it.
Out of your mouth, you wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know you miss your old self too. Silver once golden. There's only so much holding on. You can take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be.
Here I had to take a brush and a little bit of my dishwashing soap just to scrub it and remove the stains.
You again. Some things I can't fix feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much hoping that I can do, but I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry, tears to cry. So I break these walls and hold my head up high. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving giving in.
So here I'll just rinse it with clean plain water so that I can arrange back the racks. I don't know whether they are called fridge racks. Yeah, something of the sort. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing, just uh, rinsing the fridge off.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
So here I will just be washing these racks or glasses so that I can put them back while they are clean.
To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights. Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
And now the fridge is looking good already and I'm loving it. How I wish it can just stay like this, clean and sparkling. But we just have to put food in it, so I will just repeat the process another day.
Oh no.
So if you have watched until this far, thank you so much, and please give this video a like, share, and comment. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so. Now I'm arranging back my things. I don't have a lot of things as at now. That is all that I have to put in my fridge. Yeah, and my girl is here trying to help me. Yeah, so up here is where I'll be arranging my cereals. I didn't manage to boil a lot, but it's okay since they won't. The space is just small. So I'll just arrange my cereals, and as you can see, the lower part, I have milk that I have stored for my baby. He has actually been drinking it. Yeah, it was a lot. That is what is remaining for now. And as you can see, guys, it's neatly arranged, and we already sorted with cereals for some few days. Thank you for watching. I love you. See you on my next video.